Hello, in this video we're going to see how to use virtual POS. For this reason, you can of course put the data here in traditional way, or if you have activated virtual POS or integration is Ingenico, of course you are going to click on the green button over here in the payment and deposit section of our rental agreement. So we're going to click here, and this window is going to open with customer detail, rental agreement data, and etc. And we see the transaction amount. So first step is going to be register transaction, and it's going to ask you the card details, of course, and we will insert the test version of Ingenico card details, and we can click create, for example, customer test, and the expired date also not real. And of course we click here to save it and to use it for the next operations. And this means that Ingenico will be the one who will save the credit card, and you as a company will have the code which will be sent by Ingenico, so you will have the tokenized version of the credit card, and it is safe for you as a company for the legal issues also, that you can save the credit card, and it will be also useful if customer took a fine and notification came after 90 days, you'll be able to charge it from Ingenico. So we send the card details to Ingenico, and Ingenico says credit card been saved. So we see nothing yet, so we have to click on check, and we will see this appeared here. So once you have all this settled down, and we can do first collection of money, for example for the rental amount, and you can of course put other amount of money instead of 450, 500 or etc., depending how much the customer has to pay. Let's leave 450 right now, and I'm going to click on charge. So Ingenico is going to update and appear here the new amount of money. So as you can see, the charged amount 450 has appeared for the rental amount charge, and the payment has been accepted. Some companies are doing pre-authorization, or as we can say, blocking some amount of money. For example, when someone is booking the car with debit card, and for this reason we go to register transaction, and it asks, do you want to use different card or the same? So we say that yes, use card stored in this case, and it asks, and again you confirm. So and we check, and for this, for example, we have to pay attention where we are selecting. So now we are selecting here where is nothing, and we say that after we need this amount of money to be blocked on the customer credit card or debit card, and we make deposit, and Ingenico is going to put it here. So in a couple of seconds it is already here. And if you want to capture amount, we of course click here, and it's maximum the amount of authorized amount. Of course 1000 you put, and it can be maximum 1000. And so we can see that the transactions we have made were with this ID number, and so here if we click on the amount of charged, it's 400 here, and the amount of authorized is here. So if you want to refund some money, we just click on the charged amount, and we put, for example, 50. We want to give back 150 euro just in case of necessity, and we can see that refund is 150. So this is how we are doing with virtual POS, and it's very possible to use whether in the phase of opening rental, or in the payment tab, and in the closure of contract in the tab of cash. So for this, right now I am done. I've charged 450. I authorized 1,000 euro, and I refund 150 euros. So this was all about virtual POS payment.